Supplements are everywhere these days, right? It seems like everyone's popping something, from vitamin C to fish oil. And hey, there's nothing wrong with a little boost sometimes. But with so many choices, it's important to know what you're taking and why. That's why today we're diving into the world of selenium. You might not hear about it as much as, say, vitamin D, but trust me, this mineral is a bit of a superstar. So, what is selenium exactly? It's a trace mineral, which means our bodies only need a tiny amount of it. But don't let that fool you. Even though we're talking micrograms here, selenium plays a big role in keeping us healthy. Selenium's got an impressive resume when it comes to health benefits. This essential mineral is a powerhouse that your body needs in small amounts, but its impact is anything but small. Studies show that getting enough selenium can support your immune system, helping your body fight off infections more effectively. It acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This means fewer colds and a stronger defense against illnesses. It also plays a role in thyroid health, which is crucial for regulating metabolism and energy levels. Your thyroid gland relies on selenium to produce hormones that control how your body uses energy. Without enough selenium, you might feel sluggish and fatigued. And there's more. Selenium is being studied for its potential role in protecting against certain types of cancer. Researchers are exploring how it might help prevent the development of cancer cells and slow their growth. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that adequate selenium intake might be linked to a reduced risk of some cancers. This makes selenium a promising area of study in the fight against cancer, offering hope for future treatments and prevention strategies. Section 4. Selenium. Too much of a good thing? Selenium is an essential trace mineral that plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, including metabolism and thyroid function. Like most things in life, too much selenium can be a bad thing. While it is important for our health, an excess can lead to serious health issues. While selenium deficiency is relatively rare in developed countries, selenium toxicity can occur if you take megadoses of supplements. This is why it's crucial to be aware of how much selenium you're consuming. Symptoms of too much selenium can include nausea, vomiting, hair loss, and even nerve damage in severe cases. These symptoms can be quite distressing and may require medical attention. The key takeaway here? Stick to the recommended daily intake and talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements, including selenium. Always consult a healthcare professional to ensure you're taking the right amount for your individual needs. Section 5. Selenium Stars Food Sources. The good news is that you can easily get enough selenium through a healthy diet. Brazil nuts are the superstars of the selenium world. Just 1 or 2 a day can provide your daily requirement. But don't worry if you're not a fan of Brazil nuts. Other good sources of selenium include seafood like tuna and sardines, as well as meat, poultry, eggs, and whole grains. Section 6. Balancing Act. Food First. In this section, we delve into the importance of prioritizing whole foods in our diet. Whole foods are those that are unprocessed and unrefined, or processed and refined as little as possible before being consumed. They are packed with essential nutrients that our bodies need to function optimally. At the end of the day, getting your nutrients from whole foods is always the best approach. Fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins should be the cornerstone of your diet. These foods provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds that work together to support your health. Supplements can be helpful in some cases, but they shouldn't replace a balanced and varied diet. While supplements can fill in nutritional gaps, they lack the complexity and synergy of whole foods. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of selenium. Selenium is a trace mineral that plays a crucial role in many bodily processes, including metabolism and immune function. Foods rich in selenium include nuts, fish, and whole grains. Remember, this mighty mineral plays a vital role in our health, and getting enough of it is important. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect cells from damage. It also supports thyroid health and may even reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. But as always, moderation is key. Overconsumption of any nutrient, including selenium, can lead to adverse effects. It's all about finding the right balance to ensure your body gets what it needs without overdoing it. Focus on eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods. Incorporate a rainbow of fruits and vegetables into your meals to ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. Pay attention to food labels to make informed choices about what you're eating. And talk to your doctor if you have any concerns about your selenium intake. Your healthcare provider can offer personalized advice based on your individual health needs and dietary habits. Stay healthy and happy eating. Embrace the joy of preparing and sharing wholesome meals with loved ones. Eating well is not just about nutrition, it's also about building connections and enjoying the experience of food.